Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Syarifah Laila Aulia from class X or F and also from group 3 of essay writing. Now, I will begin my group presentation by explain what is narrative text exactly. So, a narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain or inform the reader by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. There are also lots of different kinds of narrative text. The first one is fictional narrative. The second one is autobiography. The third one is biography. The fourth one is memoir. And the last one is legend.
I am Aldi Indrani. I'm from class 8. I will explain about the characteristics of narrative. The first, using past tense. Narrative texts often contain past tense because they typically record event or story that have already occurred. Using the past tense helps to create a sense of time and sequence, which enable the reader to follow the plot and understand the progressing of event. Number 2, using adverbial of time. Narrative texts often use adverbial of time to provide a clear structure and sense of progressing to the story. Next, using adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or modify a noun or put it simple. Adjectives are words that give more information about a noun such as its color, shape, size, characteristic, and other. Number 4, using noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that contain a noun along with any accompanying modifiers such as adjective, adverb, or other nouns that provide more information about the main noun. Noun phrase help create detailed and vivid description and story.
My name is Andia Rahmila from class A or F. So what does the structure of a narrative text look like? The first, orientation. Orientation sets the stage for the story. Ideally, the orientation should answer the question who, where, and when. So in reading the orientation part, we should be able to identify the character and setting, both time and place of the story. Second, complication. This section contains the problem that occur within the story. It is divided into 3 parts, namely, point 1, raising action. Problem begin to emerge. Point 2, climax. Peak of the problem. And point 3, failing action. The tension of the problem begins to decrease and the solution starts to emerge. The third, resolution. The resolution is the part of the narrative where the conflict or problem introduced earlier in the story is resolved or addressed. 4. Reorientation or evolution. Reorientation, also known as evolution, is an optional. Evolution is an optional component of a narrative text that serves to reflect on the story and its events, reinforcing the moral lesson or done.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelita Marsipa Uluyu. I'm from class F. I will analyze the example of the narrative text. So I choose the Legend of Salatiga for the example of the text. So let's see.
Now let's see the story. The title of the story is The Legend of Salatiga. The first paragraph is orientation because this section also contains the place of the incident and at the time of the incident. The next is the second paragraph. It's complication because it's It's a series of storylines which then continue to conflict. So the last is resolution. This is the final part of the story where this part contains the resolution. There are also reorientation. Actually, this session is not mandatory in the narrative text. However, generally the sentence in this paragraph will tell about the final condition of the character in the story, or it can also contain lessons and moral message that readers can take from the story.